Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hello guys, it's me again back with a new video. In this video, I will show you how to find the trending TikTok filter, Bold Glamour. So first, we are going to open our TikTok account. Just click on it, the TikTok icon. And then you will see there your TikTok page or your For Your page. Now, click on the search bar and search for the effect Bold Glamour. Just click on search. After that one, it will show you some videos that uses Bold Glamour effect. Now let's choose this one. So what you can see there on that arrow, you just click on it to use that filter. You can also add that one in your favorites if you want to use it once again. Just click on the use video.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.